Maing udto mga kabangas, matuturon sa eskwelahan kay recognition day sa kong anak karon.
Award. Janada S. Rizma Alcaha, Eager Beaver Award, Friendly Neighbor, and Coach's Kid, Isha Kiri G. Alcaha, Eager Beaver, Extra Minor, Cheerful Helper, and Friendly Neighbor Award.
Lago niya. Alangan.
Marto, dali, kinapin ako.
Cheerful Helper, Friendly Neighbor, Batang Masigasig and Patience Advocate.
And best in English and best in mapping award, and also conduct award. Raiko Gitgitin with honors. Athlete of the Year Award, Best in Math and Conduct Award. Eliza May Coronan, Girl Scout Member Award Certificate with honors. Supportive parent for her parents. Best in Araling Panlipunan. Best in Science. She will also receive Leadership Excellence Award, Athlete of the Year Award, and Conduct Award.
Pirmahan. Pirmahan.
She is the Conduct Award and Girl Scout of the Year.
Kapag kayo ko nung
Jomar M. Kamika, he is the recipient of the Conduct Award, Conduct Award.
Member of the Supreme Elementary Lower Government Court, SELG.
Award
General Charles Matthew, Boy Scout of the Year and Service Award.
Wala akong kakapoy na.
Gunato JVG.
kasal.
Athlete of the Year. Gymnast.
Ay mo din na.
Individual.
Guwapo.
Miss Fair category. Second place.
Dili na ito. Oh, kamu beli tuh. Anda mau kan? Manok ra ikaw kay Jollibee. Ewan kay Mani kaya. Ihal kita manok ni guys sa recognition sa akong anak wa magi tay nahimo ni ron kay Jollibee man to kung saan guys. Pwede na guys, labaw pa Jollibee ni. Mga kabalas ato nang ihaw ang manok. Ngayon ni sa ato ang panihapon ron namo sa akong pamilya kay recognition day sa akong anak. Ngayon lang ni di ta kapalit namo tay binuhi. Ihaw ta. Salamat mga kabalas.